Good morning, students. I wanted to give you just a few tips on how to do the activities that you're going to have for this week. And you're seeing something new that may sound a little confusing, so I'm just going to give you some examples. We have already talked about things that I like when we were in our chapter about activities, and we used to say something like, me gusta correr, right? And that's I like to run. Now we're going to talk, instead of using a verb right here, we're going to use a noun. So, for example, instead of say I like to run, I want to say I like apples. So, me gusta la manzana. That's apple. So, how do we identify that this is a noun and it's not a verb anymore? Well, you remember your verbs ending AR, ER, and IR, and this one doesn't. And also, you had this right here, the article, that can help too. So you know that is a noun. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use me gusta when you like something. But then let's say that you really like something. So you're going to say, me encanta. Let's say you love orange juice. I don't know anybody who loves orange juice, but okay. Let's say, me encanta el jugo de naranja. Naranja. Okay, here's your noun right here. So with this expression, the first expression, you're saying that you like something. With the second expression, you're saying that you really, really like it. So you like it a lot more. Now, in your activity, you're going to have to use me gusta or me gustan. What is the difference, Ms. Bass? Thanks for asking. The difference is you need to see the noun. Okay? If the noun is singular, you're going to use me gusta. But if this is not just one apple, but more than one apple, then you're going to have to add an N right here. Me gustan las manzanas. Okay? If you're going to use me encanta with a plural noun, then you're going to use, let's come up with a plural noun that everybody likes. Las galletas. So you're going to add an N here. Because if we use the orange juice, it would be kind of weird. I like the orange juices. So we're going to use galletas. So galletas, las galletas is plural. So that's where you add the N. So for the singular one, me encanta la galleta. For the plural one, me encantan las galletas. If you have any questions, just let me know. As usual, send me an email. Do not write answers on the book. Like, I don't understand this. I don't know how to do this, because it shows like you answer your question, and when I go to grade, then I have to say that you did the wrong because you had the right answer. Okay, so just ask me your questions. And if you need help, more help, let's set up a conference. Just let me know. Have a great day.